If you're over 45 and your knees hurt more than they used to, you're not imagining it. And no, it's not just aging. There are specific reasons your knee pain is getting worse. And today, I'll break them down in simple terms. Inside your knee joint, there's something called cartilage. Think of cartilage as a cushion between your bones. When you're younger, this cushion is thick and flexible. But after 40, your body produces less collagen. Over time, that cushion becomes thinner. And when bones rub closer together, pain and stiffness begin. The second big reason is inflammation. After 45, your body's natural anti-inflammatory response slows down. Small injuries that used to heal quickly now linger longer. Chronic low-grade inflammation builds up, and your joints start to feel it. Modern lifestyle makes things worse. Long sitting hours, weight gain, lack of stretching, processed foods. Did you know? Just 10 extra pounds can add 30 to 40 pounds of pressure on your knees. That pressure speeds up joint wear and tear. The good news? There are simple ways to support your knee health naturally. 1 light daily movement. Walking 20 minutes improves circulation in joints. 2. Gentle stretching keeps flexibility and reduces stiffness. 3. Anti-inflammatory foods, like leafy greens, berries, olive oil, and turmeric. 4. Let's maintain healthy body weight. Less pressure equals less pain. In addition to lifestyle changes, many people explore natural joint support formulas that include ingredients like glucosamine, chondroitin, turmeric extract, MSM. Some studies suggest these ingredients may help support cartilage health and reduce inflammation. If you're curious, I've shared some educational resources below in the description. But remember, lifestyle comes first. Joint recovery doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency. Small daily improvements add up over months, not days. The key is starting early, before the damage becomes severe. If this helped you understand your knee pain better, subscribe to Fit Life for simple, science-based health tips. And check the description for helpful resources. Take care of your joints. They carry you through life.